In this video, I am going to teach you how to use mask in Figma. So in order to use mask in Figma, first thing you need to do is to head over right here to your figma.com website. You should be able to see in here two options. You can either log in if you already have a Figma account. However, if you do not have one yet, you can head over and click onto this Get Started for Free option right here. So it's actually your choice from there. So for this case, I'll head over and show you in here how mask works. So this is a Figma website that I already have. So mask right here is an object wherein when you use layer in here as a mask, you can head over and use it as an asset for this case. So for example, let's add in here a shape. Click onto this icon right here, which is the actions icon, and search in here for shape. Now in here you can set search assets for shape option and you can see in here some suggestions. We have in here this. Click onto this set right here and click onto this insert and it should be able to be added. Now you have some options to reposition it if you would want. So for example, on my case, I'll head over and make this bigger just like this and like that. So this is just informal training. Into this part, you can click onto this part and you can scroll down. You can change its selection colors, effects, layouts, prototypes, and the likes. You can also right click on it and you can see in here this. You can see this use as mask option. You can also click on it Control Alt M on your keyboard. Let's click onto this use as mask and it will be used as mask. Into this part, you can just align its shaping as well as change its colors, prototypes, and the likes, and change in here the alignments and how it actually looks onto your page. So that's how you use a mask in Figma. Hope you help.